Imagine having all the ammunition you need to start a successful YouTube channel. Sounds like a pipe dream, doesn't it? It's not. Armed with the right information, you can start a YouTube channel and see it grow significantly. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 10. Your channel name. Names have power. Whether it's your own name or the name of your business, how you choose to name it determines how it affects your result. You find that many YouTubers don't have the slightest clue about their channel names. But before you can start a YouTube channel, having a name should be the first focus. This is because many people will know you by your channel's name when they search for your content. And having a professional name can be the game changer for your YouTube channel. Some YouTubers have regretted their name choices, and while some have modified their channel names, others have worked with the name they chose from the beginning, which could be embarrassing for them. For example, Catherine Manning used to call her channel Content Bug. And even though she's changed it to her real name, she has admitted in several of her videos to regretting using her initial channel name. Most YouTubers use their real names as their channel names, which works great. But you can also optimize your channel name by including your niche in your channel. For example, if your name is Chris Nash and you're a gamer, you can choose a name that also tells people what your channel is all about. A name such as Gaming with Chris Nash or Chris Nash the Gamer helps people know who you are and what your channel is all about. The Pro Gamer J is a perfect example of a gamer that has incorporated his name with his niche. This helps your target audience know right off the bat what your channel is about. So, you must choose a name that you'll stick with forever without regrets, or the need to change it. Number 9. The content you want to create. While knowing your channel name is important, it's only part of the things you should know before you start a YouTube channel. This is because having a name but no idea about the content you want to put right under it makes zero sense. It's worth mentioning that if you have a specific niche in your channel name, create content that matches the niche. A niche is a situation where a specific service or product is sold or created to reach a specific group of people. For example, if you travel from place to place and create content about the cultures of certain countries and post videos about it, you are in the traveling niche. A niche is important because it helps you know exactly what to base your content on, which allows a specific group that's interested in your topics to become your repeat viewers. For example, ASMR Darling is a channel that posts for the, you guessed it, ASMR niche. Viewers that are into ASMR watch her videos to help them relax, chase away the blues, or even sleep. And the channel is successful, with 2.54 million subscribers and some of her videos getting up to 38 million views. Knowing what you want to create content about attracts a very specific type of audience, which helps you avoid scattered videos, which can stunt your growth on YouTube. A secret tip we want to give you is to research your niche on YouTube and see how well it does. If there are viral videos on that niche, then you have struck a gold mine. Also, choosing an evergreen niche helps you stay on top of your game because you will always have never-ending video ideas. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused because the following tips are going to be a game changer for you. Number 8. Narrow down your niche. Speaking of knowing the content you want to create, some of the niches are so broad that you can't deal with posting content in the whole niche. That's why niching down is so important. You create content about a specific category, which allows you time to know the right audience to push your videos to. For example, the psychology niche has many subcategories, and while you can't post in all of them, you're more likely to get a more specific audience if you concentrate on one category. Mental health, spirituality, emotional health, relationships, etc. are a part of psychology. You can choose to post your content on relationships and stick to it. This is because if you post about relationships today and spirituality tomorrow, it confuses the YouTube algorithm, which prevents it from pushing your content to the right viewers. But niching down doesn't mean putting yourself in a box. Limiting yourself too much may hinder you from benefiting from providing expertise to your viewers, which may cause slow growth. You can niche down to more sub-niches, provided they are close in the topics you want to put out and are a part of one specific niche. For example, you can do keto diet and exercise categories in the health niche, which broadens your target audience and helps your channel grow faster. Number 7. Be serious with your thumbnails. You can't just slap a thumbnail on your video and call it a day. You may be surprised when viewers skip through your videos faster than you can say, "Oh." Thumbnails are one of the main drivers that drive people to your channel. Together with a great title and an optimized description, an appealing thumbnail causes people to click through your video, which helps with the CTR or click-through rate. In case you're wondering what a click-through rate is, it's the percentage of people who click through your videos after seeing your thumbnail. For example, if you're talking about how to make money on YouTube, you need to put a thumbnail that concerns making money on YouTube, with alluring numbers and images. Go to a popular video that has the same topic and see how they've done their thumbnail. Then use free editing tools such as Canva and create your thumbnail close to the one in the popular video, but different enough to suit your topic. Using contrasting colors makes your thumbnails pop. Don't be afraid of experimenting with colors when it comes to thumbnails, and the brighter, the better. Also, make sure that your thumbnails are relevant to your video topic. You can't talk about gaming and put photos of finger-licking good KFC chicken as your thumbnail. Gamers would just skip through, thinking that your video is about restaurant reviews or something. A good thumbnail resonates with your video topic, is attractive, optimized, and can drive people to click through. Number 6. Learn YouTube algorithm. A common misconception is that YouTube has just one algorithm. The truth is, YouTube has multiple algorithms for ranking your videos. These are the homepage, search results, and the suggested videos. YouTube algorithm allows your videos to reach different viewers by looking at metrics such as performance, click-through rate, engagement, average view duration, among others. YouTube rewards creators due to the engagement their videos have garnered because the platform aims to keep people on it for as long as possible. Because of this, you, as a creator, should learn how YouTube ranks your videos and create engaging videos that your viewers enjoy watching, which keeps them on your channel for longer, hence on the platform. YouTube will reward you for the engagement your videos get by pushing them to more people, ranking you in suggested video feeds and search results. Creating longer videos is one way of keeping people on YouTube for longer, provided they're enjoying the content. A tip every creator should put into good use is YouTube Analytics. These are very important because they show the creator what is working on their videos and what's not. It also helps you know what your audience is interested in, which helps you get broader ideas on your content strategy. Number 5. Adopt a YouTube game plan. We all love spontaneity. We want to surprise people by doing the unexpected. But when it comes to YouTube, spontaneity should be the last thing on your mind. This is because your viewers are relying on your consistency to produce content, and if you leave them high and dry for longer periods, they move on to more competent creators. That is the one reason why you should have a YouTube game plan for your content. For example, scheduling your posts allows your viewers to set a particular day to watch your videos. If you post a video on Tuesday this week and on Friday next week, you're inconsistent with your uploads, which viewers don't like. If you upload weekly videos, you can select one day a week to publish your video and stick to it. This allows your subscribers to get their notifications promptly every time you upload content. Having a game plan also allows you plenty of time to catch errors that you can rectify before you publish your video. You put out a quality, professional, glitch-free video that your viewers enjoy. Happy viewers means more engagement, which means more rewards from YouTube. Number 4. Create content that no one else has created. We all know that YouTube is a sea of repeated content, and it's possible to find 10 videos with the same title that talk about the same thing. But what if you could create content that has not been created by someone else? Sounds like an impossible task, right? It's not. You can have a title that someone else has, but twist it in a way that gives you content that's original to you. But how can I be unique when there's a video about everything? Here's how. For example, many people have posted content on how keto diets can help you lose weight in 30 days. But what if you could post content about how you lost weight in 7 days of keto dieting? That would pique the interest of many dieters, don't you think? Posting content that is not yet on the platform can help you blow up faster. If you settle on a topic, research it and see if there are other topics like it. If there are, try to think outside the box to see what you can come up with until you can come up with a unique title that you haven't seen on the internet. Then, go on to create unique content around that title and it'll blow up, provided it gives value to the viewer. Number 3, focus on your target audience. Before starting on your YouTube journey, it is important to remember that your audience becomes your family. You need to find the type of people you want to view your content. Is it for the older generation, the millennials, or those in between? To find out, ask yourself these 2 questions. What audience do I want to attract? How can I solve the said audience's problem? When you have the answer to these 2 questions, you know who you want your audience to be. For example, if you want to offer relationship advice in marriage, your videos mostly appeal to already married couples. But if you're offering general relationship advice, you broaden your target audience to the married, single, divorced, separated, and even widowed people that want to get back in the game. Knowing the target you want to attract allows you to know the kind of content you want to post to your channel. This helps you choose topics that can appeal to that specific group of people whose problems you're able to solve through your videos. Number 2, invest in better equipment. Many beginner YouTubers start with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and minimal equipment. But as they go, they upgrade their cameras, get tripods, buy better microphones, editing software, and so on. Don't wait for 1 year to start making changes to the way you do things. Start making small investments as you go. You can decide to buy a $600 camera within 6 months and start saving $100 a month, which allows you to reach your goals in the time frame you set. For example, if you're a fitness instructor, you can make small but significant adjustments as you grow your channel. Don't be stuck in a rut because you had to wait for so long before realizing how far small investments can take you. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1, don't be a copycat. Being a copycat is the worst thing you can do on YouTube. Not only does it make you unoriginal, but it can also get you banned from the platform for the rest of your life. We know you're wondering what we mean by being a copycat. This means taking someone else's work and posting it as your own. Besides being wrong, it can cause you to lose views and potential subscriptions. For example, if you're into cryptocurrency but don't want to write all that complicated stuff, you reuse another creator's script as long as it has the Creative Commons license. But that doesn't mean you should copy and paste to your channel, thumbnails, descriptions, and all. You can rewrite it in your own words to make it original to you. Create your unique thumbnail and write your own description. This makes the work yours. Creators work hard and spend hours or even days trying to come up with the perfect video, and taking credit for something you haven't put work into is just plain wrong. Be original and be unique. If for nothing else, your viewers will most certainly respect you for that. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.